Has a day passed by already and still you have no notification from Bereal? Maybe a notification has happened but it did not pop up. Or does the notification not go away? If these are the issues, then we have the solutions for you. First, go ahead and go to your settings. Scroll all the way down until you find the apps. Scroll all the way down and look for Bereal. And then go into notifications. Make sure that the notifications is toggled on. If the notification does not go away, then just simply turn off and then turn back on the notification. Well, there you have it. I hope that you have found this video useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel.